to me. My son, he's on Bad Boy right now, Epi, and I like to introduce you to him. I like them to come out here and do something special. So as we proceed to give you what you need, I like to introduce to you my son Christian, aka King Combs, the motherfucking If you rockin', we rockin'. If you're not, you're not. Yeah. Check this out. You know what you do? Act like my son. Let's go.
Yeah. So she wanna be with the gun, switching out VVs for the charm. Teflon, never the beast stepped on. Check Long Beach houses in West Palm. My swimming pools and my jewels, they drippin'. Only time I see glass when I'm Benz whipping. Silk fur within it, catch me in all fabrics. Flying over Paris, no need for baggage. Shake the lid, hang right over my dinner plate. Budget great mistake, made fresh from the chef. British crown jewels for her neck, yeah. Fly on the boat, take a cruise on the jet. Little mama call me Big Papa, cause she know I'm a Gucci flip-flopper. Come through proper anytime she need it. Red carpet screaming, I'll show you where the cream is. Come on.
Give it up for my son Christian King Combs. Give it up for my son Justin one time. Check this out. Y'all know I'm passing on the torch, so y'all have some big shoes to fill, you know what I'm saying? Y'all always make sure y'all give 1,000% to the people, you know what I'm saying? Don't do it for yourself. Do it for the people. Make them dance. Make them feel good. Give them that feeling. Y'all feel me? Well, God bless y'all. I'm proud of y'all. I love y'all. Yeah, man, this is some big shoes to fill, and I know you're gonna be alright. And I'm gonna show you something. This is very important, alright? Both of y'all. We give that feeling that bad boy, alright? So when you drop a record, I want you to feel like this. You feel me? Drop that. Everything's real in the head. You can't have me. Because I'm deep and trying to bury it. 7 zeros, over melodies and everything. Nobody's heard what I want to do. When you're hot, not staring everything that's on earth. So they all learn what they all find a meaning. First times, you drive a million. It's all time for president. Now I got a hook for the first. Slide cabinets on my hands with the cuts. I'm on the whole package, fuck being a pro nigga. Drinking one liquor, trying to broke nigga. With 4 sippers, watch my gold fingers. I keep it your dinner with gold silvers. Man, boy, yo, Boston, y'all the loudest crowd we ever rocked before, man. Boston, we love you. Let's get it.
Y107, Bay Area's party station, Doghouse, Elvis and JV. Good morning, my name is JV. It's Elvis. Sunshine today, 60s all over the Bay Area. Notorious DFD is in studio. We will get into it all. We'll talk about everything. I want to thank you right off the bat for coming in. I think it was a good thing for you to come out to the Bay Area and clear some stuff up. Because, like you said, it's a lot of I'll tell you what, is that true or not? Squashing the whole East Coast, West Coast.
I mean, it wasn't really a beef to me in the beginning. You know what I'm saying? Not for other artists. It was a personal problem between me and somebody else. And it's happened to me to East Coast and West Coast.
Why has rap music gotten to that?
People, I don't know how people just want to see things, you know? You just got people just like that. They just want to just edge things. Remember that game Tough Food used to play when you say something to somebody's name? You just keep saying it by the time it gets back to you. It's a complete That's basically how it is when it started from here. It got all the way changed by the time it got to the East Coast, you know? They're going to attack you if you're on top, you know what I'm saying? It's just your job to bob and weave, you know what I'm saying? I mean, I'm just getting over, you know what I'm saying, this whole situation with this East Coast, West Coast thing. They was going through their things and we going through our things. I just came over. Trying to like basically squash it. I'm about to drop Martin Luther 5th. I need to be all up in the day, like that, all over. So I'm here, I gotta grind, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna continue to keep making those songs and make you dance, make you groove, have kids and all kinds of shit. I'm here, you know, my man Caesar Lil.
Put your hands together.
I'm coming. Out.
Celebration for my man B.I.G.
I'm coming out.
Sing a song.
What I want to know.
Tell us all, Boston. We got this B.I.G. verse that we gonna do in his honor. And I need all of them.
We come up clap. Walk on we see.
Yeah. Let's go.
Same old Bay Street, 29G, over that. Can't stop till I see my name on the list. Guaranteed to be the for the double up. You wanna be around the world, you can double up. We'll play a man, it's a bad day down, you can